Okay, welcome back. We're going to be doing another one today where we take the 568B and then we take that over to we make a crossover cable and turn it into a 568A. So we're going to start off by clipping off this secondary part right here. Let's take a connector, clear picture. Get a better accurate. So probably about right here. Okay. Alright, that did it. We're going to take all these wires again and we're going to untwist them, separate them so they're on direction. It'll be easier. Okay. Okay, so then we're going to take our connector, insert it into the slot. We're going to look at the color coding. So it's just going to be that the green and the orange are swapped. So we're going to take our maroon. We're going to take our maroon. We're going to take our striped maroon, put those back together again. We're going to take the orange, put that next. We're going to take blue, striped blue, put those next. It's very difficult sometimes. These things don't want to stay where they need to be. We're going to take striped orange now, then go solid green, and then striped green. So now that we have them all in a row, you can see that they're all different lengths for some reason. So we're going to trim that and make them all the same length. Take this, insert them all right here. Take the edge off. Okay. Alright, so now we got them all in the right way. Go ahead and insert them into our tool here. They're clamped down. Let's go ahead and slide that in there. Crimp that. I like to just triple check on that click. Sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, see, sometimes it doesn't work all the way. I don't know if it's the crimp or if it's the connector. The connector seems to be a little faulty sometimes. Give me 1 second. I don't know if it's because there's 2 different types or not, but check our color coding. We're wrong here again, so we're gonna take. There we go. Bam, bam. Swap that. Swap this. Alright. Those are correct. Those are correct. Those are correct. And that's correct. Alright. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in here. Okay. Let's try to reseal that out. Also on our tool, it shows us the color coding right here. So we're looking at it. It should be like this. Okay. All right, all of them are correct. Crimp it a couple more times. Good measure. Pull it out. Nice and tight. All right. There we go. So we got our 568B connection are crossed over to our 568A connection. All right. Okay, so we're going to take our cable. Let me see, is this the right one? Yes, the right one. Okay, so we're gonna take our cable. This is our type B end. This is our type A end. And we're gonna take our type A end and put it in here. We're gonna take our type B end and put it in here. So this is a digital tester. This was just open because it's on. Go ahead and test that. Okay. So of course we know that it's connecting. Of course it's going to be a miswire because this is a crossover cable. We know that we crossed over the wires in here. So that's why it's having a miswire reading. But we know it works because it's blinking. So that's good. Cable's in there real good. Solid. Everything's good to go.